I am sitting with the topmost interventional cardiologist of the country who has coined the term Swasth Dil Swasth Bharat at the CSI Prevent. Sir, what did you thought about that? Despite being the interventional cardiologist, what makes prevention such an important topic today?
You see, if you actually analyze certain aspects, the first is that every time we treat a patient, any treatment we're offering is prevention after that. So even when I do angioplasties, most of the treatment relates to prevention of heart disease, secondary prevention we may call it. But on the other hand, primary prevention, which means keep preventing yourself from heart disease, is becoming so important. Actually in India, we always keep feeling, while the deaths from coronary artery disease continue to rise, every person thinks that he's not going to get affected from heart disease. And every day, thousands of people are dying from heart disease. And if we actually analyze, one of us, either ourselves or our family or a close friend, has already been affected by heart disease. And therefore, it becomes so important for us to start analyzing that actually it is going to hit us one of these days. And if we don't do prevention, then we're going to succumb to this disease process, because all Indians are like loaded guns. And when we are like loaded guns, it just requires a simple risk factor or a couple of risk factors to make us fire the gun and have a heart attack. So I think it's time that we started realizing that prevention is the only way to stop the problem affecting us. But there's another thought in my mind about all this. And the reason for this meeting was, the most important thing was, that in India, the glamour lies around bypass surgeries, around angioplasties. If we actually have an angioplasty meeting, there'll be 2,000 delegates attending it from practically all the region. And when we talk about prevention and want a prevention meeting, then we hardly get 200 people. So we said, okay, let us do this properly. Prevention of heart disease has to become science. Prevention of heart disease has to range from the general physician up to the interventional cardiologists and to the cardiac surgeons. Prevention of heart disease has to be both basic, lifestyle modification, and has to incorporate the technological advances of science into prevention of heart disease. Actually, innovations have to come into prevention of heart disease, and prevention of whole heart disease has to be the motto. So इसीलिए we coined the term a mission of Swasth Dil Swasth Bharat, which actually means that this is not just today, this is not just tomorrow. It's a mission and a vision which will continue on and on behalf of the Cardiological Society of India and Cardiac Prevent, to actually decrease the incidence of heart disease as a wave, almost as a tsunami. So we're going to always talk about Swasth Dil and Swasth Bharat, whether we're doing angioplasties, whether we're doing bypass surgeries, or when even a fresh patient walks into who hasn't even got any problem at the moment. We'll say, pehli cheez hai, note yourself, Swasth Dil, then it's Swasth Bharat.
If I have to ask you to summarize what has been the key messages or themes of prevention in this conference, so that the physician and the patients can understand what are the things which are most important at this point of time, which will help them live a healthier life.
Right. Some of the very important in this Congress has been discussions on every aspect. Like I said, even from the basic lifestyle modifications, including diet and exercise, right up to the most advanced medications, drugs, devices for prevention of heart disease. It's also talked about innovations in preventive disease, apps, simple apps which can tell us about our risk factor of heart disease, things like where we can actually modify our heart disease patterns by ourselves. But the most important factor, if I was to actually give a message for everybody on this World Heart Day, this is not going to be a simple message. The message is now about high blood pressure. One of the biggest surveys ever, in fact, the biggest survey ever done in the world for prevalence of heart disease, we released just day before yesterday at this meeting, which was performed by the Cardiological Society of India on the 21st of September. And the thrust of the message was that 33% of the population is suffering from high blood pressure. And when you understand that high blood pressure is the father of all killers, even heart disease actually kills because people with high blood pressure develop heart disease. So with this being a biggest killer, the second thing which we found was not just 33% of the population have heart disease, but 66% do not know that they have high blood pressure. Now that is even worse, because this is a silent killer amongst our population. And the third aspect was that even those who knew they had high blood pressure, 45% of them were not even well controlled. So look at the large population of people at risk of developing heart disease, of developing heart failures, of developing strokes. Hypertension causes all that, 50% chance of having a stroke, 40% chance of having heart failure, 25% chance of dying from a heart attack if you have high blood pressure. So the message is, get your blood pressure checked. Everybody should get their blood pressure checked, and blood pressure check should start by the age of 18. The second aspect is that all these aspects, even when you actually not just can measure blood pressure yourselves, but it's simple lifestyle modifications like eating less salt, having more fruits and vegetables, regular exercise, achieving a normal body weight. Just simple things get your blood pressure down by 20 millimeters. And that decreases the incidence of heart attacks by 25%. So I think there's a lot we can do on a much larger scale. While we keep emphasizing that the government has got to put in more money into prevention, we also realize that we have to put in all efforts into ourselves for prevention as well.
A little bit about 6S theme as well.
The 6S theme is to emphasize the points which everybody knows. It is just that because our country is counteractive and most of the people are not proactive, despite the knowledge of simple facts, we do not apply it to ourselves. The 6S just relate to simple stuff. Smoking, say no to 6S, which means say no to smoking. Say no to salt or less of salt. Say less of stress. And all this just goes into less of sedentary habits. All these 6S go around the single fact. If we say no to 6S, we are actually talking about maintaining a healthy heart. The theme around Swachh Dil, Swachh Bharat.
Thank you so much.